Not many organizations have really gone into the profundity of tending to the interoperability gives that present different bottlenecks for the exchanging community. Welcome to the decentralized money new symbol of Bitcoin. Bitcoin SV. Bitcoin SV gives less expensive and lightning-quick exchanges disposing of the intricacies engaged with the decentralized environment. Before we dive into the Bitcoin SV cost forecast, let us examine a portion of the interesting highlights of Bitcoin SV. Bitcoin Money is the second biggest fork of the Bitcoin organization, and from that point onward, there was one more fork in November 2018, Bitcoin SV. It was made to re-establish the first Satoshi convention, keep it stable, and scale greatly. As a credulous contestant in 2018, not very many individuals knew about Bitcoin SV and were a little uneasy in exchanging BSV. A critical benefit is that you can execute rates as the organization extends, adding to a marvelous expansion in the quantity of excavators. Upheld by a hardy and high transmission capacity public blockchain stage, Bitcoin SV has tended to the openness issues, setting up a mixture agreement component. A special element is that it can trap deceitful or fake exchanges by peers wherein an affirmed block is equipped for following the previous block. Bitcoin SV depends on cryptographic techniques that are dependent on zero exposure proof and numerical consistency of the whole blockchain-empowered exchange, which is cross-checked without uncovering any information or message on the other party associated with the exchange. A remarkable trademark that hangs out in this convention is that it guarantees liquidity and guarantees lightning-quick speed of exchanges on the organization. This detectable characteristic makes it remarkable contrasted with other Ethereum-based decentralized finance conventions and, simultaneously, lays out a plenty of mining roads. The additions from the Bitcoin establishment additionally offer to BSV the local area benefits. Through this channel of establishment, the stage gets generous commitments and a flourishing number of individuals. The Bitcoin SV engineers additionally have progressed highlights like conceptualizing thoughts on this stage that advance dynamic conversation on BSV. When supported, the engineer group tests out the thought and redirects it to raising assets for the local area. The stage additionally includes workgroups made by individuals sharing their encounters and assisting you with understanding the functionalities better. No big surprise, the historical backdrop of Bitcoin SV has been sensibly strong, with Bitcoin hustling up to turn into a public decision in 2019. It gave force to this coin likewise, and its cost contacted a high of $95. The noteworthy meeting went on with minor revisions. Afterward, Bitcoin SV showed a monstrous retreat in the long stretch of September 2020. Another significant explanation was that the area offered other option and broadened speculation choices to Bitcoin and other computerized resources. So while some money resources hit all-time highs of $70, BSV was all the while battling, showing an eagerly awaited opposition at $100.28. BSV highlighted returning, building up some forward movement at $120.20 notwithstanding the pandemic in 2020. Afterward, in 2021, Bitcoin SV has denoted an untouched high of $491.64. In any case, subsequent to hitting ATH, the BSV cost fell steeply towards $100 mark. Furthermore, right now, it is exchanging underneath the $50 mark throughout the course of recent months. Notwithstanding vacillations, what's to come appears to be brilliant for the money as much as the help from financial backers. The specialized examination likewise reveals insight into the future cost conjecture. In light of the BSV cost forecast, a drawn-out rectification is normal. The cost visualization for 1 year is around $3.90. In the start of 2023, the BSV cost may be exchanging around $25.46. Greatest cost $28.87, least cost $25.09. The normal for 2023 will be around $26.60. Bitcoin SV cost estimate toward the finish of 2023 will be around $26.98. There is a decent opportunity that Bitcoin SV 2026 value expectation will twofold in cost, yet it is likewise conceivable that it may not arrive at its normal most extreme $200.99 level. Bitcoin SV is anticipated to arrive at an unequaled high of $196.24 or $200.99 in 2026, and it very well may be the time of Bitcoin SV. During the last year, BSV coin was enlisting moderate force, in spite of the fact that there was a slight recuperation from February 2022, yet from that point forward, the coin has enlisted a sharp fall, and after May 2022, the cost of Bitcoin SV was exchanged modestly. Right now, the cost of Bitcoin SV is exchanging over the $40 mark, which is a decent sign. However, the cost is as yet exchanging underneath $46. As indicated by the current situation, it is anticipated that BSV will show moderate recuperation before the current year's over, contrasted with other cryptographic forms of money. actually take a look at here are other long-haul digital money expectations. BSV Coin Value Expectation 2023. The year's end 2023 could offer a buy to all negative and skeptical cost patterns for the universe of digital currencies, particularly for BSV. It could mean the beginning of a time of expectations and commitments brimming with hopefulness. The esteemed resource would ascend to a future cost of any place between the scope of $40 to $60 according to our Bitcoin SV estimate. Bitcoin SV Value Gauge 2024. In the realm of cryptographic forms of money like BSV, there could be a conjecture of wonders, and there could be enchantment in the present moment as well. According to specialists, Bitcoin SV expectations 2024 may mean a blast time for Bitcoin SV. Master financial backers of digital currencies generally plan for the long haul instead of the present moment. It wouldn't be a misrepresentation that the BSV digital currency could break every one of the boundaries and endure everyday hardship, scaling a pinnacle cost of $90. Bitcoin SV Value Forecast 2025 with a touch of tolerance in keeping the expectations high in the long haul. Financial backers can expect a circle back toward the finish of 2025. As the reception of BSV would develop dramatically, by when Bitcoin SV might be a carefully prepared player. As indicated by our BSV Cost Expectation 2025, the coin could arrive at above $110 with least and greatest value levels of $105 and $118 separately. BSV Expectation 2026. In light of the BSV cost conjecture, the Bitcoin SV coin could change the pattern from the very start towards the year's end. The coin might fill quickly, particularly for coalitions in this year 2026. New organizations would bring Bitcoin SV to the spotlight, making it the middle stage for speculations and a socially regarded cryptographic money cost fixed at $129. Bitcoin SV Expectations 2027. According to the BSV Cost Estimate 2027, the cost of Bitcoin SV is anticipated to cross $150. Before the year's over, Bitcoin SV is supposed to arrive at least expense of $146, and the BSV coin holds potential to cross a greatest degree of $156. Bitcoin SV Value Expectation 2028. In light of the Bitcoin SV Cost Forecast 2028, the BSV cost is estimated to cross $165 by year's end. In the interim, Bitcoin SV cost is supposed to arrive at least degree of $158 this year. The most extreme cost might reach $168. BSV Coin Value Expectation 2029. By the start of 2029, the cost of Bitcoin SV could reach $180 according to the BSV forecast. During the year, the BSV cost could cross the greatest degree of $195 before the year's over, while the base cost level around $179. Bitcoin SV Value Expectation 2030. Out of 2030, Bitcoin SV is supposed to exchange around the $200 during the year, as per BSV Cost Forecast 2030. Toward the finish of 2030, Bitcoin SV's base cost is supposed to be around $198. Moreover, BSV can arrive at a most extreme value level of $218. Toward the finish of 2030, Bitcoin SV will have a typical cost of $216. Is BSV crypto a wise speculation? Bitcoin SV can be a